blow the candle. Aurora, can you blow my please? Oh, and I have the lighter here. That's our wait, see? One will have their own hats, yeah?
Hoorah! Nice hats. Good job, guys. Wow.
Yes, like this. No.
I think there's a lot.
Can you sit nice? Can you sit nice? You want to line up? Okay, okay, I will give you. Aki, do you want to line up now? Yeah, I don't know. Yes, here, here is the candle. No, Aura, not in your mouth. Aura, where is the crown? So it's here because she's throwing and doing that way. Come. Let's see the jars. I want to do that. You want crown? Okay. Yagmur ya. Cantiknya. Happy birthday, Aura. Happy birthday, dear Aura. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Blow the candle.
How old are you today? How old are you today? How old are you today? How old are you today? Aura is 3 years old. Almira wants to have baby Yagmur to blow the candle. Okay. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Blow the candle. Blow the candle. Blow, blow, blow, blow, blow. Okay, look here. Terbelnya Yagmur ya. Yeah, Yagmur, you also like flipping. Yeah. Get up. Oh no, yeah. Oh. Baba and Mama. No. You have to wait, okay? Then you open one by one. Must wait. That's ice cream.
Stop
That's
working.
ice cream. Nina, what? Okay.
Wow.
Almira, do you want cupcakes?
That looks so delicious.
Cupcakes for you.
Where's the camera? Be quiet.
Oh, it's maybe too much money.
Too much, yeah.
One is enough. You can take it at home.
Okay.
Amur.
And you can take this.
Happy
Yes.
birthday Amur. İyi ki doğdun Yağmur.
Big girl.
Yağmur.
Yagmur is big girl.
Can we give them juice?
Oh, later on.
Later? Okay.
Yes.
Random sayang.
Too much.
Oh my gosh, look at Aura.
Yeah, come,
I can't believe I stay over there.
Oh.
Happy birthday, Aura.
Say thank you.
Look at that, mommy.
Thank
We're not
you.
all out for you.
No.
Look at that.
Good job.
Matanya iya, kena apa? Ada di sini.
Wait.
Lap dulu matanya sini.
Oh, what is that?
Apa itu?
Careful. Maybe you have to clean it, mommy. One more. Close your eyes, baby. Okay.